12 weeks old and mom's still feeding them. What a good mom. She can't make them work hard. She'll teach them soon. She's eating a little herself. Well, maybe that's Ozzy if somebody's eating. Let's see.
So that's Honor on the branch up high.
Probably. Aww. Hi, baby. Yeah, Mom, give me some while you're eating. Oh, maybe I'll go up. Oh, yeah, girl. Boy. Oh, no, that's Hope Girl. And Honor's above. I'm sure it's probably Honor. 3/4 of the family there. Yep. So we've had 2 deliveries in a short amount of time. That's pretty good. See if Mom's giving her any. Yep. Yep. Still need a little help. You guys can eat your own fish. Can't ya? Oh, yay! Time for you to come back down, get in the act. Yeah. That's good. Aww. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Yeah. Okay. See you later.